Understanding Kin, the cryptocurrency of Kik. Introduction. Kin was a unique cryptocurrency created by Kik Interactive, a messaging service that gained popularity among younger demographics. Launched through an initial coin offering, ICO, in September 2017, Kin was designed to create a decentralized ecosystem where users could earn and spend digital currency based on their contributions to the Kik community. Despite its innovative premise, the project faced multiple challenges and ultimately ceased operations in 2023. The origin of Kin. Kik launched Kin in 2017, raising approximately $100 million during its ICO, making it one of the most notable initial offerings at the time. The concept behind Kin was to build a shared economy where users could earn Kin tokens for their participation in the Kik platform. This system allowed users to spend the cryptocurrency on goods and services, encouraging consumer adoption. Advantages over competitors. One of Kin's key strengths was the existing user base of Kik, which had millions of active users at the time. This substantial community provided a fertile ground for introducing Kin, contrasting with other cryptocurrency initiatives that often struggled to attract users without an established platform. The messaging app incorporated Kin's ecosystem, which included a wallet designed for easy transactions within the app. Kin Rewards Engine. A significant feature of Kin was its Kin Rewards Engine, which used an algorithm to distribute Kin tokens daily among users based on their contributions to the ecosystem. This reward distribution model aimed to incentivize developers to create and build open, decentralized applications within the Kik environment. Ted Livingston, the CEO of Kik, highlighted that the Kin project presented an opportunity to allocate value to developers, fostering a thriving market of services around the currency. Establishment of the Kin Foundation. The Kin Foundation was created to oversee governance and the development of the Kin ecosystem. It sought to establish a platform that rewarded users for their contributions, a model differing from traditional social media networks that often relied on advertising for revenue. The Kin Foundation envisioned a community-focused ecosystem where users could gain monetary value through active participation and provide services to one another. Legal challenges. Kik faced significant legal challenges regarding its ICO when the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed charges against the company for conducting an unregistered securities offering. In 2020, the SEC ruled that Kik had violated federal securities laws, leading to a fine of $5 million. While Kik was compelled to shut down certain operations concerning the ICO, it was not forced to terminate the Kin network, allowing it to continue trading on various platforms. In 2019, as the SEC battle ensued, Kik Interactive was sold to Media Lab, which allowed the messaging service to remain operational, albeit under new ownership. Despite these legal turbulence, Kik attempted to regroup and continue its efforts surrounding Kin, which by then was seeing diminishing development support. Kin's decentralization and market standing. By July 2023, Kin had transitioned to a fully decentralized model, transferring governance from the Kin Foundation to its users. However, the foundation officially closed its doors that same year. As of January 2024, Kin reportedly had a market cap of $40.28 million, though its market value fluctuated significantly over time, with trading prices as low as $0.00001372. Is Kin still viable? While Kin is still available on a handful of decentralized exchanges, its practical use and development have ceased. As such, many in the crypto community are questioning if Kin is a viable investment. Despite its market presence, significant hurdles hinder its future growth, primarily stemming from its unfulfilled potential and the legal struggles that plagued its development. Conclusion. Kin was more than just a cryptocurrency, it represented an ambitious attempt to create a decentralized economy within the Kik messaging platform. Although it garnered considerable attention during its launch, its journey was fraught with legal challenges and operational difficulties. Ultimately, the story of Kin serves as a cautionary tale in the cryptocurrency landscape, illustrating the complexities of merging digital currencies with existing social platforms. As the cryptocurrency space continues to evolve, Kin's experience provides valuable lessons for future projects targeting community engagement and decentralized ecosystems. Note: the opinions expressed in this article are for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always conduct thorough research before investing in cryptocurrencies or any financial instruments.